Welcome back to another beautiful Monday morning out here on the farm down there in the valley. Oh, looky here. Looky what I see. We got cows up here. So the back rub is working beautifully. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're hard to see in the shade, but you may be able to. I know what I can do. I know what I can do. There it is. There's my beautiful cow. Man, they're looking good. Once again, these ain't my cows. I want to reiterate that as much as possible. These are not my cows. I just take care of them. 735 is one of the most gentle cows you'll ever meet. That's her right there. They are all up around this. So what we can do, what we're probably about to start doing, is feeding hay. There's another one right there. So what I would like to do today is definitely, oh, can't have no music, I don't think, because of copyrights or something like that. Hi, Mama. Hi. This is 402. She had I think she had a bull calf last year. She may have not had a calf. Hi, Mama. Hi. See if we can pet her. Hi, Mama. I know. I know. Poor baby. I pet you. Yeah. Hi, Mama. I got one touch in. That's enough. Hi, Mama. So what we're going to do today is we're going to just check the fuel in the tractor, check all the fluids. Oh, there's 735. I know she'll let me pet her. More than likely. Hi, Mama. Let's see if we can pet her. Oh. No, not today. Not today, sweetheart. She is a beautiful specimen. Can I pet you? Yeah. Can I not pet you? You let me pet you every other time when you're not on camera. Okay. Can I walk up beside you and pet you? Oh, I got some lovins in on her. Good. Now that one's a little crazy, so I'm not going to try it there. Anyways, so it's getting close to hay feeding season. And what I normally do is I start out, number one, I just want to check the fuel in the old girl. Like I said, this is a 5303 with a 520 loader on it, or 512, my bad, 512 loader. The one on the other farm on the mountain is a 5300 with a 520 loader on it. And so we've got a little diesel. Gonna definitely need some more. It's still climbing. We'll let it climb. And then come around here. It's been a minute since I've opened the hood on this thing. Give me just a second. Okay. So the hood button is right there. You just push the button, it unlocks the hood. And let me crawl over in here. Here we go. Ra-cha-cha-cha, ra-cha-cha-cha, cha-da-dee, cha-da-dee, cha-cha-cha. We'll do that. Sweet. Beautiful. And all I'm doing is looking for the old dipstick and Like I said, it's been a minute, so I don't really know exactly where it's at. I don't remember. Don't remember. It's somewhere in here, though. It's got to be somewhere where the motor is. Duh. And we've already greased. Oh. Oh, no. Flat tire. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh, there it is. Haha. It was hiding. Ew, dirty oil. It's okay. Wipey, wipey. Wipey, wipey. We stick that right back there. Yes, sir. Pull it back out. And she's pretty daggone good on oil. She is beautiful on the oil. Okay, so that's really what I like to check. Other things would be tire pressure, for one, which we're lacking in. And then, so I'll have to call and let her know. I'll have to bring the jack down, impact. We have plenty of diesel. It finally quit rising, so I mean we're at a half tank. I'll fill up the diesel jugs, at least one. One will fill it up to where I need it to be. The other things will be greasing, which I'll grease it here before we actually get rolling on hay feeding season. Now, these cows are not hard to feed to. They are gentle giants. They get excited though, so you guys will probably get to see a few cow zoomies. And yeah, man, she's a pretty cow. That's a cow. She's pretty though. She looks like a bull. She's got a more feminine face. She looks like a good cow. Of course, that's 503. She's always been a pretty good cow. That one just looks like a mad bull, but it's a cow. It's a cow. She's something else though. But yeah, and then fall is here. Fall is here. Look at there. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is why I love doing what I do. Coming down here, spending time on the farm. So we had a situation on the mountain farm the other day. We had horses, you know, and her father has horses too. And we separated a mom from her filly, and she tried to jump the fence, got tangled up in it. We got her fixed. We got everything right. I put the filly in with the mom. So we're working on getting everything taken care of now. But this is where I like to be. Beautiful. And then, you know, look at that pretty truck on the farm. You know, I take pride in what I got because I don't have much, but what I do have, I'm very proud of. That's part of living the way we live. We don't have all the nicest things, but we have clear blue skies, lots of sunshine, lots of fun times, lots of hay. We do have hay. And farming is the most fulfilling part of every day. It's the most fulfilling job you could ever have. Like I said, I didn't know the cows were here, but we did count plenty. The rest of them are back in the backfield, back there where we normally go. I'm about to go back there. We gotta go close the gate, because the gate, that's these beautiful beasts. They like to go out in the yard and eat if we ain't careful. So let me go close this gate and we'll pick it back up. Back at it again. Here we go. We got the gate closed just in case. So here we go. Boogity boogity. Holy crap. Holy crap. This field just never gets any easier to drive through. But it would help out if I didn't drive through it in a 1-ton truck. Oh. Anywho's, I wonder if I turn that switch on. That's right. We'll check that. Whee! Like I said, normally we don't put too many hours in the summertime on the tractor besides putting up a bush hogger, which it's just this field, the front field, at the bottom normally. Sometimes I'll bush hog the far field over there. Oh, they may be down at the creek. We're just riding through here. They normally hang out towards the back, so that's where we're headed. If not, we'll go over the bottom. Creek's dried up, we're drying up. I think it's okay. Looks like they are in the bottom. Boogity boogity in the bottom. So this is our, I like to call it the winter field. It's more open now, but pretty much cows run out of grass here and here and up there towards the barn. They have this field, and it's a good, I'd like to say 30 acres, 40 maybe. And it butts right up to the hay fields. But the problem is, and it's not really a big problem because they have well water they can, but is it don't have a creek running through it, so they have to run well waters and water tanks to water the cows. We have an automatic waterer in that field right there with all of the grass a cow could ever want. As you can see, it's greener over there. It's not really green here, but you know, what was that saying? The grass ain't always green on the other side. Well, this time it is. It's green over there. Now the cows will really love whenever I open up that gate finally, they'll go in there. Hopefully I get to have a video of y'all, for y'all, of us moving the cows. Or they really ain't moving the cows, it's just calling them up to that field. So yeah, let's go check and make sure that key is off. I'd hate to leave that on and have a flat tire and a dead battery. That would be bad. Really bad. Really bad. There goes Miss Ann. Yeah, she's the owner of this farm. She's the one that lets me come out, work on this farm, do the things I do for her. But she's the one that allows it, and I am very thankful for her. She's, believe it or not, being a welder, you still have a lot of bills. And I don't get paid much to come out here and do what I do. It's like, I think it's $10 a day, but that's a half a tank of diesel, you know. That's groceries, you know, just little stuff. And once again, we got the cows, the moo-moos. They're looking beautiful this year. Holy crap. Whole lot better than last year. Oh, 020. Last year, I got a little story to tell on this one. Last year, she was so skinny and just, it was just sad. That was because she had a very big calf on her, and we couldn't get it back on her fast enough while the calf was sucking. Now she is not nursing, and everything is going beautifully. So we just flip the key. Gonna have to tell her about the tire. We have, what is it? Some sort of pear tree or blossom or something. One of the trees down through here is, they're made up of nothing but thorns. And we are overgrown in the bottom with them. And when we bush hog the bottom, we hit quite a few of them. And so now every time we go up to the tractor, we always have to check the tires. I think I know. Let's see here. I think I'm the only one that's ever popped a back tire on that tractor. I know I popped the front tire 3 times. It's just from loading hay and then pear trees with the thorns. And them thorns are thick enough and mean enough to go through that tire. So every time I go down in there, I really try to watch where I hit and what I hit. Hi, Mama. She's bawling for her calf, so the rest of them should be up shortly, but I think we're about to head out. I gotta go to work, so. But once again, thank you guys for tuning in. God bless you, and have a very good day. From the Vaughn Farms, Vaughn Farmer. I guess, well, I think I changed it. Now it's Farmer Vaughn. Yeah, that rings a little better. So from Farmer Vaughn to y'all, have a great day.